In the previous lecture, I said that the wisdom is the essence and the intrinsic nature of human. But the human nature, i.e. what is the source of movement and life, is the knowing incentive. Both scholar researches and inner reflections show that humankind wants to know that what is happening in the world around. He is interested to know about the other people and even other galaxies. He likes to be in the shoes of his myths or his heroes and live like them to understand what it is like to live like the others. To test, to experience, and to know are our deep desires as a human. Although at a superficial glance, many of us are interested in having more money and prosperity, but they are only short-term goals. These secondary issues will never satisfy our inner and main desires. People who just claim spirituality and mysticism condemn the desire to acquire wealth by the people, while poor human just doesn't know this point, that to live like a seeker or a collector is in his nature. Seeker human.